Alright, and here we go for Dr. Wilson. This is going to be 2013 Topps Museum Collection Football. Dr. Wilson, good luck, and let's get to breaking. If you'd like to be like Dr. Wilson and break the box live here with us on Breakers TV, SteelCityCollectibles.com/breakroom is the place to go. Just click the Live Breaks On Demand banner. Get to see all the live break eligible products. Find the one you want, click the Break This Live For Me button. We'll get it broken live for you here on Breakers TV. One autograph or relic card per mini box. And here we go, mini box number 1. Start off, Jonathan Franklin, Calvin Johnson, Dion Jordan, Clay Matthews, and we have a Kenny Stills quad jersey patch autograph, 24/50 for the New Orleans Saints. Cool hit right there. Mini box number 2, LSD, the Saints fan out there in the Breakers TV chat room. Alright, start things off. RG3. That one is number 28/50, the gold version. Marcus Allen, Larry Fitzgerald, Adrian Peterson, and we have a Jordan Reed autograph, 17/130. Box number 3. Calvin Johnson, Aaron Dobson, Luke Keechley. Got the Canvas Collection, John Elway. And we have a cool looking Terrence Williams quad jersey patch. That one is 17/50. And final pack here. 2013 Topps Museum Collection Football. Start off, DeAndre Hopkins. Well, Sean McCoy scored a touchdown yesterday and injured his thumb as well. Russell Wilson, Christine Michael, and we have a big old jersey of Julio Jones, 42/50. Dr. Wilson, appreciate you breaking live with us here on Breakers TV. We'll get those out to you soon.